Hi, my name is Jocelyn Ramirez and I'm the chef and founder of Todo Verde. Today, I am going to be talking about jackfruit. Jackfruit is this really amazing fruit. As you can see here, it's as big as a watermelon. It has all these green spikes all over it. We're seeing so many people become so curious about it, especially if you're thinking about eating more plant-based or transitioning to plant-based altogether. I typically recommend for folks to pick up some young green jackfruit, which I have right here. And this young green jackfruit works super nicely for savory dishes because it hasn't developed any sugars yet. Yes, I'm asking you to use canned jackfruit. So when you open up your can or pouch of young green jackfruit, you're gonna find that there's all these triangular shapes. And so you need to get it to that texture, that look that feels so much like that meat, that shredded chicken, shredded pork that people are used to. So first things first, what you're gonna do, squeeze all the excess liquid out of it, all the brine, the water that I used to rinse the jackfruit. Well, you don't want all this extra water in here diluting the flavor of your dish. I find that if I squeeze enough of it out, I can't taste any of it. So I like to use my knife to just cut off that core piece, shred up the top part, and then use a knife or a food processor to just break down that core. Obviously, you don't want to have any food waste, so you want to use every bit of the jackfruit that you can. Check out how perfect this bit of jackfruit is. It's this really nice texture. It easily just falls apart as I push gently with it. Break it down. It doesn't have to be perfect. It looks so much like a meat. These are all gonna get coated really nicely in the seasoning. They're gonna crisp up really nicely in the little bit of oil that we're using. And I'll be making recipes with these, but you're gonna have to come back to check out these videos on how I make delicious jackfruit tinga al pastor and carnitas tacos, and we can continue to evolve what Mexican cooking looks like. Check out todoverde.org for these and more.